Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my mommy bought me something and I'm so excited. I'm too excited to open it. Now I know my ABC. Now I know you stay with me. Apple. B is for ball. C is for caddy. Meow meow. D is for duck. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for rock. G is for gorilla. And H is for hat. And I is for ice cream. And J is for jelly. K is for candy. Oh no. I mean, K is for kitten. Lion.
Yeah.
I know. M is for monkey. O is for ocean. P is for pineapple. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for T is for train. U is for umbrella. B violet fin.
Okay, and next?
W is for whale. And X is for, X is for xylophone. And Y is for yo-yo. And V is for zebra.